Yo, what's going on, everyone? Spotlight here, back on the channel again, talking to you as always, boys. As you can see, I got a new haircut. It's not something I was looking for. Just want to get like a little bit trim on the side, fresh cut here, fresh trim as well. But got cut a bit too short, and now it's not looking too great. To be fair, so I might just keep on growing my hair again for a couple of months, and then we see what happens. Oh yeah. Anyways, boys. Today I want to talk to you about daily bias and basically how important it is for your trading and your strategy or whatever you are doing with your strategy, whatever it is, whatever your trades are, whatever you want to do. As the most important thing, as of like what I think at least right now, after these trades that I took today, the couple of months that I've been trading this whole year, um, and just how to shape your trades and everything. So let's go into the charts, boys, and yeah, let me just um so the window capture, window shopping, and I go there. Yeah, exactly, boys. That's perfect. Let me just re resize this as well. Yeah, perfect, boys. Perfect. So um I took a trade today on both gold and um this, which is GU. And basically what happened, boys, is I lost both trades, obviously. But now I've got very important conclusions. Like, I know them to myself for a long time, but I want to make a video, and the video is gonna like make me remember it even further. Like, if you all know what I'm saying. Alright, so I went in the charts, right, daily. Like we had this universe that we reacted to, but this this fair value gap was invalidated. 4 hourly was bullish. Hourly was bullish. So I went to the chart, said, yeah, you know what? We're gonna go for bullish price action today, and we're gonna be taking longs. What I did instead, I took a short, which is quite stupid of me. Uh, Nevertheless, we had a 1.45 risk to reward ratio. Like the trade would have been that if I cashed out, but then obviously cashed out, so it is what it is. Anyways, what I was looking for is like when I go into the charts, I've seen this periodic up here. I've seen this 15-minute opening. These were my lows, and no, this was actually my low. This was my primary low, which got swept with the market open. So I was, you know what, we can move in the higher. We're gonna see how the price reacts off of the news. We had CPI data today and unemployment claims, I think, as well. So as you can boys see, we reacted like nicely. Like the big ass trade candle got eaten off of the daily fair value gap of the daily inverse. So I was like, okay, this might be actually a short position, even though there was no other confluence except the fair value gap and the news. I mean, there was a couple of confluences, but like the bias, the overall chart was telling me, yeah, we gonna go up. Like you have to buy. But what I did is I fucked up, boys, on the bias part. And as you can see, I've lost this trade because we reacted very smoothly off of this fair value gap. We filled it in completely and then started moving up as well, which is really textbook, I would say, setup, as in at least for what I've been like. I've been taking those kind of trades recently, especially on GJ. Um, Honestly, what a shame. I got stopped out of break even because I was not willing to risk the money after these 15 minutes lows. So yeah, um, I think that's pretty much it for GU. I like that on daily bias. I think daily bias is extremely important because as you can boys see, even though if you have like all the confluences are telling you you're gonna go down, you have the same ones for buys, right? And the daily bias telling you buy. Like unless there's, I don't know, unless the daily was the only thing that was so bearish. But 4 hourly, 15 minute, 30 minute, 5 minute, not 5 minute, no, but everything was fucking bullish. So why would you not take the trade on the buy, but you took a short instead? Because you're retarded just like me, and that's how it is sometimes, boys. But that's why we live and we learn. And let me just jump quickly to the gold trade that I took as well. So pretty similar situation. We had news, we had London highs, hourly bullish, further nicely this rally up, 4 hourly bullish, daily was the only thing that was bearish still. And yeah, I've seen that we swept on lows with the CPI data news, which is quite nice. And then based on that, I've seen this candle, which told me, okay, that's a nice sweep. That's a pretty smooth sweep. We broke such on the 5-minute. I entered the trade, and again I got stopped out. On this point, at this point, I thought, okay, do you know what, boys? This actually might be a 4-hour open manipulation, because that's often what happened with commodities like gold, or like, I don't know, sometimes with forex pairs as well. But yeah, God bless me that I did not re-enter that trade. Thank God for that, because I was going to re-enter that trade, but as you can boys see, we were bullish on this one as well. And what's funny is that, like, I went to the markets at 2 p.m. saying that I'm bullish on everything, and I ended up taking shorts, which is quite funny. But yeah, I think that's daily bias. Daily bias is the most important thing in trading right now. That's my own conclusion. Like, it's the fundamental that you need to look for setups for. Like, when you get the setups right, it's only because you hit your daily bias right. So the first step when you get into the markets, you have to get your daily bias right. If you get it right, then you know what to do. And listen, I'm not saying you to follow like okay, let's say we have a situation that hourly is bullish, but the 4 hourly is bearish, and that's why this setup would have been a great play, like the one I'm just showing you right now. But as that wasn't the case, that's why I lost it. So if hourly, 4 hourly, and daily are telling you that we are in a bullish market, then you fucking buy. You never go against the trend, because you're gonna end up in situations like me. Not hopefully, but thank God I only lost 1% of each of my accounts today. Even less, I think like 0.75%, which is honestly only a blessing that I didn't lose much more, because I was willing to risk way more than that. But I just got stopped because I thought of CPI data news, PPI tomorrow. So yeah. Anyways, I'm down on the week, -1% so far. I've lost yesterday on London session. I've lost today. I won on Tuesday. I didn't trade on Monday. What I'm looking for is the 3% tomorrow of profits. Hopefully that's what's gonna happen. Thank you boys for watching. Remember, daily bias is the most important thing in trading. I'm especially looking to myself right now, because I know that I'm gonna remind myself by watching this video over and over again. Remember, when you get to a chart, you look at the daily bias as a fundamental of every trader's trade. If you get bullish, then you only look for buys. You don't fucking change your daily bias, even if the short-term price action is telling you to go short. That's it, boys. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.